Welcome back. This is profit guarantee strategy. This is profit guarantee strategy I'm about to review to you now. Only two indicator is what is used in this particular strategy: moving average and the Ichimoku indicator. Moving average and the Ichimoku indicator. Now, this is how the strategy works. First of all, identify the direction of the market. Is it below moving average or above moving average? If it is below moving average, that is what sell, that is what downtrend. If it is above moving average, that is what uptrend. Now, once you identify the direction of the market, now your entry should be from the side of Ichimoku indicator. Your entry should be from the side of what Ichimoku indicator. Now, let me explain what I mean. Now, from here, you will see that the candlesticks are clearly below the moving average. The candlesticks are below the moving average, which is what a downward trend. You understand? This is what a downward trend. Now, the second thing is to come to the side of Ichimoku for your what entry. Come for the side of Ichimoku for your entry. Now, when the color of Ichimoku, this indicator is called Ichimoku. Once the color turns to red, that is what entry, and that's a sell entry. Once the color turns green, that is what a buy entry. Do you understand? Now, in this case, the market is what in downward trend because it is below the moving average. Do you understand? So once we identify the direction here, it is below moving average, so it is a sell. Now we will now come to the side of Ichimoku for our entry, where the Ichimoku turns from green, to red. That is where we will establish our sell signal. Do you understand? Now, when you trace it up, look at it. Our sell signal should be here. Do you understand? So, from that point, this is where we will now establish our sell signal. Do you understand? Establish a what? Sell signal there. So, this is what? A huge profit. Look at it. A huge what? A huge profit for you. This is a huge profit for you. Sell signal from this particular area. Look at it. From this particular area, look at it, and this is what a huge profit for you. Do you understand? A huge what? Profit for you. Do you understand? So let's move. You see it? You see it's still selling. It's still selling. Look at it. Look at it, guys. It's still selling. This is what a huge profit for you. Do you understand? This is what a huge profit for you. Now watch here. The Ichimoku turns green here. The Ichimoku turns green at this point. The Ichimoku turns green. From here, the Ichimoku turns green. Look at it. So trace it up and see whether the market is uptrend or downtrend. If it is uptrend, that is we enter buy. Look at it. So it is not a uptrend. So this is what a false. This is a false signal. Do you understand? Because once the Ichimoku turns green, for a valid signal to hold, it must be above the moving average. Do you understand? So we move. Look at it now. Look at another entry here. First of all, you need to see that the candlesticks are below moving average. Do you understand? That is the first thing. You see that the candlesticks are below the what? Moving average, which tells you that it is what? A bearish trend. Now, for our entry, we will now come to where the Ichimoku turns from green to red. From green to red. That is where our entry should be. Trace it up. Trace it up. So our entry should be what? There. Do you understand? So we make our entry. We make our entry here. We make our entry here. Do you understand? So this is what? A huge profit. Look at it. This is what? A huge profit. Look at it. It is from this point. Look at it from this point. This is what a huge sell signal. Now watch here. This is the market changes. So this is what bullish trend, because it is above moving average. It is what above moving average. So this is what a bullish trend. Now we will now come to the side of Ichimoku to see where we need to enter. We enter where the Ichimoku turns from red to green. Do you understand? Because we are now dealing with what? Buy signal. So from this point you see that Ichimoku turns from red to green. From this particular area, Ichimoku turns from red to green. Are you seeing it? So you trace it up to see where you need to make your entry. So you need to make your buy entry there. Do you understand? Your buy entry should be here. I seen it. So this is what a huge profit for you. This is what a huge profit for you, as easy as it is. Do you understand? So study it, master it, apply it. Your profit is what assured. If you enjoyed the video, hit the subscription button, share it so that others will benefit. Now let me show you the settings. Moving average, period is 50, shift 0. Do you understand? Method is smoothened. Apply to close. Do you understand? Choose any color of your choice. Now the second indicator Ichimoku. Do you understand? Now look at the settings for Ichimoku. Target sen is 9. Kijun sen is what? 26. Senku span B is what? 52. Fill, he hit what? Fill, mark it. Do you understand? Now we come to the styles. Look at the styles. Target sen 1, Kijun sen 1. The colors should be the same as the background. Then up Kumo is green, down Kumo is what? Red. Do you understand? So this is the setting. Screenshot it or write it down. That is all you need, and your profit is what? Guarantee. In this particular, this is a volatility 75. Time frame is what? 4-hour time frame. Do you understand? So don't forget, this is Optimal FS, where profitable strategies are being shared. Thank you.